Imagine your doctor says to you, you have less than 3 months to live. It's terrifying, right? It's actually one of the conversations that you would never even want to think about. But unfortunately, this is exactly what pancreatic cancer patients have to experience. Pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest diseases that is predicted to cause more than 110,000 deaths by 2025 in the EU. Pancreatic cancer don't have major signs and symptoms at an early stage, which is why the disease is ignored. And when it is detected, it's just too late. Currently, only 7% of people diagnosed with pancreatic cancer go on to live for a further 5 years. Research has shown that one of the causes of pancreatic cancer is due to alterations in the proteins that are involved in repairing damaged DNA. Every day, our DNAs are damaged thousands of times as they divide. But luckily, these damaged DNAs are repaired by a special protein called the ataxia-telangiectasia mutated protein, for short, the ATM protein. The ATM is regulated by an ATM interactor protein, also known as atmin. So, when a DNA damage happens, the atmin protein moves towards the DNA damage site, which then recruits the ATM. The ATM and atmin interaction activates DNA repair. So, in my project, I have detected normal and high levels of faulty atmin proteins in pancreatic cancer cells. As you can see from this diagram, the faulty atmin proteins cannot activate DNA repair when a DNA damage happens. This leads to uncontrolled cell division, followed by cancer formation. So, to fix this problem, the faulty atmin protein needs to be inhibited in order to allow the normal atmin proteins to repair the DNA properly. In order to do this, I am using a special gene editing technique to knock out atmin proteins from the pancreatic cancer cells. These atmin proteins are then analyzed under various conditions. This will help to develop atmin inhibitors that will specifically target and inhibit faulty atmin proteins in the pancreatic cancer cells, which will eventually lead to cancer cell death. This project is still at an early stage, but it has a great potential in generating new cancer treatment, especially for late-stage pancreatic cancer. Thank you very much.